All right, how you make 2021 work for you, or how do you make 21 work for you? Now, at the end of the day, the year is just a time, yeah? That's one thing you have to understand. Once you understand that it's just a date and a time on a calendar, yeah? Then you have to understand that everything comes down to productivity, right? In regards to something that is related that you want to achieve. Yeah. Now, I'm not going to say if it's going to happen overnight, the achievement overnight, but when you're productive and you're focused on just doing things that are in alignment with, what you want to achieve, eventually you're going to achieve that. You know what I mean? Like, eventually. It may not happen in the way that you would like it to happen, but just being productive, that's what's going to, you know, help 2021 work for you. You see what I mean? Or any year work for you, any month, any day. Yeah? It's just utilizing the resources and the people around you. Yeah? That resonate with you, that's in alignment with what you want and need or what you want to achieve. Simple as that. So this is why I recommend, if you click the link in the description box below, where it says become a member of the Alkebulantrust, because you're going to get access to the courses career and business, so you'll understand exactly what your true personal ambition on earth is, aka your passions, aka your purpose. Because once you know that and you understand that and you focus on that, things are going to flow in a certain direction that you'll be like, wow, life is magical. Do you see what I'm saying? And then the other thing is, and you'll be able to adapt, but more on adapting, right? The course we do with healthcare, that's where you're going to learn exactly, how to manage your mental health, like strengthen your mental health. Yeah, learn how to deal with your emotions and problems effectively. Yeah, so you're able to adapt to certain circumstances and situations. Yeah, because I could give you a little story time here and there about, certain situations, but I won't do that in this video. But I will just say this: you have the power, and the power is within you. Yeah. So if you got any other suggestions, or what you want to talk about next, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.